Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to install Lut DaVinci Resolve 18. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To begin, launch DaVinci Resolve on your PC. Navigate to the menu settings icon located in the bottom right corner of the interface. Upon reaching this icon, access the color management section. Click on Open LUT folder to reveal the Lut directory. Once inside, initiate the creation of a new folder by providing it with a distinctive name. This step is crucial for organizing purposes by assigning a specific name to the folder within the Lut directory. You're preparing it to accommodate your LUT files seamlessly. Imagine this folder as a designated workspace where you can efficiently manage and categorize your various LUT based on projects or thematic considerations. Now, as you can see, your downloaded Lut. Envision the process of integration into DaVinci Resolve. Drag the downloaded Lut folder from its location in the download section and drop it into the newly created folder within the Lut directory. This intuitive drag and drop method ensures a smooth transfer of Luts, contributing to a well-organized and accessible library. To finalize the installation, click on Update List. This step is crucial as it prompts DaVinci Resolve to recognize and incorporate the newly added Luts into its system. With this, you've successfully completed the process of installing Luts and DaVinci Resolve 18. Embracing an organized and efficient approach to enhance your color grading experience. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.